Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the ATEC 32GB DDR4 2933 MHz SODIMM RAM module, a potential upgrade for your laptop or all-in-one computer. If you're finding your system struggling with multitasking, demanding applications, or just generally feeling sluggish, more RAM could be the answer. This particular module is designed to breathe new life into compatible DDR4 systems. This ATEC module boasts a capacity of 32 gigabytes, which is a significant upgrade for many laptops. It operates at a speed of 2,933 MHz, adhering to the PC4-23400 standard. The CL21 latency is fairly standard for this type of memory. It's a 2RX8 dual-rank module, and it conforms to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a low voltage of 1.2 V, which is great for laptop battery life. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process you can do at home without needing any specialized expertise. Of course, it's always a good idea to consult your system's manual for specific instructions on how to properly install RAM and ensure it's seated correctly. ATEC also highlights the rigorous quality control testing that their memory modules undergo. This is crucial, as it aims to ensure dependable and reliable performance. Peace of mind is further enhanced by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, and they offer tech support to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. So, who is this RAM module for? It's ideal for anyone looking to boost the performance of their DDR4 laptop or AIO computer. Whether you're a student, creative professional, or just someone who wants a smoother computing experience, upgrading to 32 gigabytes of RAM can make a noticeable difference. Just be sure to check your system's compatibility before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.